cat-cow is the simplest way to unstiffen a back that's been hunched at a desk all day. It's gentle, it takes a minute, and here's how to get the most out of it. It gently moves your spine through its full range in both directions, restoring the mobility that hours of sitting locks away. Think of it as oiling a stiff hinge. Step 1. Start on your hands and knees, hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips, with your back in a flat, neutral position. Step 2. As you breathe in, drop into cow. Let your belly sink toward the floor and lift your chest and head. This is the arch. Step 3. As you breathe out, round into cat. Tuck your chin and push your mid-back up toward the ceiling. Focus on moving your mid-back, not just your head. 2 things. Don't just nod your head up and down. The movement should ripple through your whole spine, especially the stiff mid-back. And move slowly, pairing each direction with a full breath. Do 2 sets of 10, taking 2 to 3 seconds in each position and coordinating with your breath. It's a perfect way to start or break up a desk day. Posture 12 builds gentle mobility like this into a 2-minute reset for exactly where you're stiff. Free. Links in the description.